Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to disable a button dynamically based on a condition. In our case, I don't want to save an empty form, so I will disable the Save button if the field is empty or does not satisfy the conditions. For those of you who haven't seen our previous videos building up our sample app, I will give a quick tour and show the code we've already written so that you can copy and follow along. Let's start with our model. The word model includes the word itself, a description, and an example sentence. I also have a sample data to use in my previews, where I create a sample data container in memory and insert them every time the canvas refreshes. If you want to learn how to build sample data for your previews, check out the link below. This is the main file of the app. Content view is the enter page of the app, where I placed word list view in it. This is the word list view that lists all the words in our database. We navigate to the detail view and also edit the info here using the edit button on the top right corner. We can also add new words to our list by using the plus button here. See the other half of the code, so you can copy it if you need to. This is how I pass the sample data model container into my previews. Here you can see the code for the word detail view. I use the isPresentingEdit view variable to open the sheet that displays the edit word view. This is the form view. I use this form twice, both in the new word view and edit word view. To learn more about how to use views multiple times, check out the description below for the video link. See, I use the form view in two different views and only change the modifiers and data passed into the view according to the needs. Let's go back to the new word view and modify it to prevent saving an empty word into our database. First of all, I will add a dismiss button here so that users can easily close the sheet if they change their minds. Add another toolbar item to use the placement as top bar leading. Place our button into it to change the isPresentingNewWord view variable to false. This will close the new word view sheet. Now we can safely disable the Save button when, let's say, the first field where we write the word itself is empty. Let's try it out. See, when I write the character, the Save button is enabled, and when I delete it, it is disabled. Now I want to disable the Dismiss button when the word is written so that the users cannot close the sheet mistakenly. As you can see, the buttons are dynamically being enabled and disabled successfully. Suppose that I will use more than one condition to control the disable feature of the buttons. For a cleaner code, you can define a variable that takes a value based on your conditions. Then use your variable here inside the disable method. Right now, nothing has changed. The buttons are acting exactly the same. Now I can add more than one condition easily. Let's say I want to disable the Save button if the word is empty or the description is empty. This time, the Save button waits for me to fill in both word and the description to be activated and is disabled even if one of them is empty. Since I use the same variable to control the disable feature of both buttons, the dismiss button is already working as expected without additional effort. If you want to enable and disable buttons based on the character count of the text written in the fields, you can control it with the count. In this example, the Save button will wait to be activated until I write something with more than 3 characters into the both fields. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment if you have any questions.